Hello my beautiful people, you welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be showing kunu with pepper. Kunu with pepper. It's going to be a very spicy kunu. How to make a spicy kunu. Like this channel, thumbs up, share with friends and families. Do not fail to subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Hit the notification button to know when we upload a new video. Thank you. Yeah guys, making this spicy kunu. These are the recipe. Here we have the pepper and the clove, ginger, then my rice seed. This rice seed make your kunu to be watery, so you know the quantity to add to your uh, millet. This is 9 cups, so I'm just putting adding small of it. Then this is my potato to make the kunu tasty. So what I need to do now is to wash the kidney, the millet, wash it very well to remove sand particles. Wash it very well. Then soak it for at least 1 hour before grinding to a paste. Then after grinding it to a paste, add hot water, hot boiling water, and allow it to cool before you sieve it into your drinking bottle. So I'm going to wash it now. As I told you, wash your millet very well because of sand particle. So you wash it very well. Wash it very well. Then as I will pour it into the water, the bad seed will be up, will flow on top the water. Then you pack it out. Let's see. Turn it. See the bad seed. You pack it out. Pack the bad seed out first before starting to wash your millet. Turn it again to still see whether you still have bad seed on it in it. I'm soaking the potato for it to be soft so that the engine will be able to grind it. So I allowed it for at least 30 minutes to soak. And I've already finished washing the millet. I'll also allowed it to soak in the water for 30 minutes before grinding it. See how clean it is now. So I'll allow this for 30 minutes before taking it for grinding. I'm going to pour in my hot water. This is hot boil. So I'm pouring in the hot water now. I'll cover it and keep till it is cold before sieving it and bottle it for the kunu.